It's one thing to decide to watch your weight, and it's another thing to put it into practice. For some time, I noticed that I've put on so much weight that sometimes I get ashamed of myself in front of the mirror. Yes, I said that. Of late, I decided to put it in practice what I advise others and what I've read and seen on YouTube. In today's video, I'll be showing you my full recipes for the past 1 month that has helped me checkmate my weight and also come out a nicer person and a nicer version of me. I have a friend who likes to eat watermelon as often as she sees watermelon. Like every other day, watermelon is contained in her meal. I will be like, girl, why do you always take this meal? Why do you take this fruit? She'll say, don't mind me, I just like watermelon. I didn't know this lady was using this watermelon to, subdue whatever she has eaten, as the properties of this watermelon can never be overemphasized. Watermelon is so rich in the water that when you take it to food your system, you think that maybe you've eaten so much food. 90% of watermelon is just water, and that's a huge advantage. I never knew. I was just sleeping on by, guys. So one day I asked my friend, tell me the reason why you take this watermelon every other day. She said, it helps me to checkmate my weight. It helps me to clean my system. It helps me to clean my organs. As in, it makes me look healthier and younger than my age. I said, wow, only watermelon. Or more, I versed intermarket. I had to buy a big head of watermelon. Is it head that is called? Yeah, it's a big head of watermelon. And that really cost a fortune because, in today's Nigeria, everything and every prices, all prices are skyrocketing. I really don't know what is pursuing them. However, this cheap will define, we must see them. So I had to still buy what I wanted to buy, irrespective of the price in the market. I also got some other fruits like apple, cucumber, carrots, and the rest of it. So I started by peeling off my watermelon. Yeah. And I also learned that when peeling your watermelon, make sure you don't throw away the white part of it, as that also contains one of the highest nutrients you can think of, magnesium, which the system also needs at every other interval. So I peeled it the way I saw my friend peeling has, which is this way exactly I'm doing in this video. You're watching this video, if you peel your watermelon, leaving behind or peeling off this white version, please stop it today, because that white part of it or white version has a whole lot of nutrients that you and I don't know most times. In agriculture, nothing is a waste. So this back of watermelon, I gave it to someone who makes zobo around me. She uses it to make her zobo fruity, and it always come out nice because of some fruits she usually adds to it. If you're still watching to this point, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support, and also feel free to share this video to your friends, because I know there are some other ones out there who really need to see this video for them to be, determined to, checkmate their weight and see this simple recipe for them to eat and control their weight. When they say weight control is not for the weak, honestly, it's really not for the weak, because I know what I fight with my weight. Since ever I was small, or since I got to know that I am a human being, I've never been on a small size, of which you can see from this video. See how big my hands are. Don't mind me, I'm only size 14. But checkmating your weight is really not for the weak. In this video, I used pineapple, watermelon, cucumber, and the rest of it to do my fruit salad. This fruit salad came out so yummy because I added extra things which I will be showing you at the end or before the end of this video. Please don't go away. Watch till the end, okay? Now my friend I was telling you that always live on fruits, she also likes pineapple. So she makes all of them together. From one video, I taught how to make fruit salad. I taught people how to make fruit salad for it to be nicer and, more tasty. But me living my life on fruits, or say, let me go on fruits, what's it called? Fruits, diet for a long time, it's difficult for me. But this time around, I'm determined. Like, I'm very determined to do so. So guys, if you are trying to watch your weight, don't forget watermelon is the goal. Watermelon is a big fruit. Yes, let me say it's a big fruit because the nutrients encompasses whatever you can imagine. If you're taking watermelon and pineapple mixed together with cucumber and apple all the time, your skin will be so glowing. You will look younger than your age, you will look so glowing, you will look so smart, and you have this confidence that your inner part, the inner part of you rather, is living so healthy. Guys, if you try to make fruit salad as often as possible, like I've started making mine, you will be forced to watch this video to the end, because this thing I added to my fruit salad made it to be so yummy. Even my son that doesn't like to take fruit salad often, he takes it like maybe once in a week, while me, I can take fruit salad 7 days a week. You see the difference. So but since I started putting on or adding this thing, I will be showing you towards the end of this video. This guy, he is the one that asked me now, "Mommy, are you not making fruit salad this evening?" One thing I noticed about fruit salad is that when you make fruit salad in the evening, it helps your bowel movement the next morning. It helps you to stew properly and have, of course, a better day. If you stew properly, tell me, there's nobody that will make you not to have a better day, only if you don't want to have a good day. Okay, so after I had finished slicing or dicing my fruits, my different types of fruits, as you can see in the video, in this particular shape, it's always good to dice them in the same shape, so it will come out nice, appealing to the eye. You know, they say the eyes eat first before the mouth. So for you to understand what I mean when I say I'm determined to take this weight control process very serious, you see that I have some frozen pawpaw in my freezer, because the last time I bought a huge head of pawpaw, I couldn't finish it at once, so I had to freeze it. Guys, this is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm talking about. Have you ever tried eating or taking your fruit salad with yogurt? If not, please, after watching this video, look for the nearest sweetened or unsweetened yogurt, depending on your health. If you don't have any sugar issues, you can use the sweetened yogurt. But if you do, please use the unsweetened. This yogurt helps the system, because you know the healthy bacteria in yogurt helps to break down the food we've eaten all along, all throughout the day. Please remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, neither am I a herbalist, but I'm that babe who likes to show you what I do in my kitchen to help you improve in yours. And I also topped it with honey. Guys, it came out so yummy. I'm a good child, forget, and this weight of mine must be maintained. I'm actually not trying to shed so much weight, but I'm trying to maintain a good health and a good shape, so I don't have to go and start, snatching whenever I want to go out. I'm already snatched. Guys, get your spoon, get your plate. One for you, one for me, as usual. If you're watching up to this point, say thank you very much in the comment section, as that would be appreciated. I love to read your comments. I love you so much, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.